So you might be wondering how to exactly fix your Fisher and Paykel dishwasher if you're seeing the F1 error. Well, there are a few things that you need to do here. Now, first things first is you need to understand what the F1 error means. Now, the F1 error is a flood protection warning. It means the dishwasher has detected water where it shouldn't be. Usually in the baseband under the unit. When it happens, the dishwasher shuts itself down to prevent any damage. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to just basically turn the dishwasher off and basically cut all power. Now, before doing anything else, turn the dishwasher off at the control panel, then switch it off at the wall or circuit breaker. Now, this is important for safety reasons and also to help reset the system later. Now, what you need to do next is you want to check for water in the baseband. So carefully pull the dishwasher out slightly if possible. So if there's water in the base, tilt the dishwasher slightly forward. So let water drain out into the towels. This alone often clears the F1 error temporarily. Now, once the water is cleared, you may want to inspect common leak areas like the door seal or spray arms, inlet hose, drain hose, and detergent drawers. Now, even a small leak or excess suds can trigger the F1 sensor. Now, next thing that you want to do is you may want to clean the filters and spray arms. So remove and clean the filters at the bottom of the dishwasher, and check the spray arms for clogs. Poor drainage or water backing up can cause water to overflow in the base. Next thing you want to do is you want to go and just restore power and BC test. Now put the dishwasher back in place, turn the power back on, and run a short cycle here. Now if the F1 error stays off, the issue is likely a temporary leak or blockage. Now, if the F1 error comes back quickly, there may be a crack hose, faulty inlet valve, or damaged flood sensor here. Now, at that point, professional repair is recommended to prevent repeated water damage. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.